Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best sewing machines that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Juki HZ-LLB 5100 Computerized Sewing Machine. This machine has an automatic buttonhole setting and a setting for bar tack, which is a series of zigzag stitches, just in case you want to do it manually. The speed control slider and pedal also allow for significant control while sewing. This is a great machine for making pants and skirts. The cursor arrows allow you to adjust your needle in small increments, which is perfect for creating a blind hem stitch. The blind hem foot also makes a big difference, as it helps steer the fabric. The Juki has a metal frame to which all moving parts are connected. This sturdy construction includes a metal hook that moves the thread. This is a plus, as plastic hooks tend to snap. Not all plastic is bad, though there are some automotive-grade nylon gears on this machine, which help dampen the sound of metal on metal and create a more pleasant user experience. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Bernette B38 Swiss Design Computerized Sewing Machine. We tested the previous model, the Bernette 37, and it makes a strong first impression with its attractive design. However, these machines offer more than just a pretty face. The Bernette 38 comes with presser feet, an accessories holder, and a second spool pin for holding more thread. It also has a 7mm stitch width. It's a great machine for beginners. The Bernette B38 is a high-performance computerized sewing machine designed for precision, efficiency, and versatility. With 394 built-in stitches, including decorative, stretch, and quilting options, it offers advanced customization for all sewing projects. At number 3, we have the Brother CS 7000X Computerized Sewing and Quilting Machine. The computerized sewing machine features 70 built-in stitches and 7 different auto-size buttonholes. It also includes a smaller free arm and an extension table for even more versatility. One of the best-selling sewing machines online, reviewers call it an amazing piece of machinery, citing its usefulness, attractive price point, and overall build quality. If you want to learn to sew without breaking the bank, the overwhelming number of positive ratings on this model should put your mind at ease. But, as you might expect, there's a slight learning curve. At number 2, we have the Singer Heavy Duty Sewing Machine. The Singer Heavy Duty is one of the most popular sewing machines on the market, available in a variety of bundles and colors. In the past, however, our testers have found other Singer models a bit of a struggle. Satisfied reviewers elsewhere love how easy this one is to use. It's advertised as an ideal option for beginners. Negative reviews, by contrast, complain about its noise level or the odd mechanical issue here and there. If you're hesitant about this one, the good news is that there's a wealth of great video demonstrations out there, so see it in action if you're on the fence. And finally, at number 1, we have the Brother HC1850 Sewing and Quilting Machine. The Brother HC1850 comes with a number of helpful accessories and is super portable thanks to its compact size and built-in handle. This computerized machine is great for specifically making buttonholes, as it has 8 different buttonhole styles. It also comes with several presser feet and needles for different thicknesses of fabric. It's worth noting that the user manual is for many different Brother machines. Although you'll find the Brother HC1850 in there, it's not dedicated to the specific model on your table, which is a little annoying. This is a minuscule nitpick, but the winding post is made of plastic, which could be a clue to what you might find inside the machine. Minor drawbacks aside, it's a good entry-level machine, as it's both reliable and affordable. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.